Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to LaShenny21Nails. Today I'm starting off with a shine nail polish called Sun Kiss. The plate I'll be using is the Nicole Diary Animal World ND-004, which was sent to me for review. To stamp, I'll start off with this Born Pretty stamping polish. I pick up this image and stamp it on 3 nails. For the next 2 nails, I'll use this Bundle Monster stamping polish called Soft Sage. I stamped the floral images to create a pretty border, and then in the center, a beautiful butterfly. To seal in the design, I use my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat. And that completes today's manicure. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, click on the subscribe button. And you can also follow me on Instagram at LaShenny21Nails. I'll leave a link in the description box of the video.